Hello, my name's Brad, and for today's tips and tricks, we're going to talk about if your machine won't start. You come over, you're ready to work, press the start button, and nothing happens. So, what we're going to discuss today is checking the voltage coming to your machine and checking the voltage before and after the switch. In order to test today, we're going to be using a voltmeter up to 600 volts. This is a 230 volt machine, and you'll also need a Phillips screwdriver. If you do not feel comfortable working with live electricity, then we recommend that you consult a certified electrician. Disconnect your unit from its power source. Next, we're going to open up the magnetic switch and familiarize ourselves with the inner workings. We're going to identify the 1L1 and 5L3 on top of the contactor. Next, we're going to identify the 2T1 and 6T3 at the bottom of the contactor. Next, we'll go ahead and connect the unit back up to its power source. And then we will take our voltage meter and set it to the volt setting, which is a V with a squiggly line after it. We're going to place the red lead on 1L1 and the black lead on 5L3. With this being a 230 volt machine, your voltage should read anywhere from 208 volts up to 253 volts. After that, we're going to depress the bus bar in the center of the contactor to see if the machine will start. If your motor does not start at that time, we will be testing at the bottom of the contactor at T1 and T3 to see if power is getting through. If your motor doesn't start at that point, the next step would be to test power at the motor itself. If you have the correct power at that point and your motor is still not starting, it is likely there is an issue with your motor. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this is beneficial to you.